So we start with computer science, which is the umbrella field. Then we have data science, after which we have AI. Then we have ML, which is machine learning. Then we have deep learning. So now machine learning and deep learning are subfields of AI. So let's start with machine learning. Hello, everyone, and welcome to yet another episode of Everything AI and Lore podcast with Tolu Lokpe Awoyemi, Tolu for short. And this solo episode will be a continuation of the last solo episode that is dedicated to teaching people on AI. So the last time we spoke about the types of AI, narrow AI and the general AI. So this video will be dedicated to the subfields of AI. So I'm sure you've pretty much come across this, or if you've not, no problem, this image about AI, then ML, then DL, deep learning, right? Yeah. But this is a more comprehensive breakdown of the fields. So we start with computer science, which is the umbrella field. Then we have data science, after which we have AI. Then we have ML, which is machine learning. Then we have deep learning. So now machine learning and deep learning are subfields of AI. So let's start with machine learning. Machine learning, as the name implies, is definitely a name that was couched a long time ago, because then computers were referred to as machines. So as you can imagine, if that was to be recouched in today's age and world, it would be called computer learning. So what is machine learning? As the name implies, this is when the machine learns the data you provide it with. So I came across a saying that says, if data is the fuel of AI, then the model is the engine of AI. Okay, so that's just an aside. Let's come back to it. So machine learning deals with when the machine learns the data you provide it with. Remember, there's no AI without data. Data is the fuel of AI, or the blood of AI. So what does it mean to learn when a machine learns the data? So the machine learns the data by identifying patterns in the data in order to do three things mostly and majorly. The first is to classify, second is to make predictions, and the third is to cluster. So classify, clustering, and predictions. And so if you or your organization have vast amounts of data without the knowledge of what exactly to do with it, machine learning might just be the right answer for it, because the machine is able to learn the data, identify patterns and insights that even the human eyes might have not been able to identify. Some examples of the application of machine learning include spam detection, such as identifying emails that are probably spams from legitimate emails. Number one. Number two, house prediction prices. Number three, fraud detection. And number four, we have customer segmentation, to mention a few. And on to the next one, let's get into deep learning. Deep learning is a subfield of machine learning that uses artificial neural networks composed of nodes, which are inspired by the neurons in the human brain. And these nodes are organized into layers. So let me explain this even better. Artificial neural networks enhance a machine's ability to learn by layering nodes similarly to how neurons are layered in the human brain, so that each node can connect with other nodes in the network. In an artificial neural network, nodes are arranged in three layers: input, hidden, and output. The hidden layer, which may comprise of one or numerous layers, does the heavy lifting. It performs the complex calculations. So deep learning is much more complex than machine learning due to the in-depth nature of the neural networks and the computational resource required to train them. Now, examples of deep learning applications are facial recognition or image recognition, which is rampant on smartphones now. You can use your face to unlock your phone or your tab and so on. We also have NLPs, natural language processing, which are used today in chatbots like popular generative AI applications. Also, we have speech recognitions, which is popular with the likes of the virtual assistants like Alexa, Siri, and so on. And of course, we have autonomous vehicles. All of these are examples of deep learning applications. And with this, we've come to the end of this solo episode. I hope you learned a lot, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you're listening on audio platforms such as Spotify, please don't forget to follow and star this podcast. Until next episode, which will be featuring a guest expert. So stay blessed and take care, of course, and bye bye.